Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through the complete steps to remove or delete a Google account from your Android mobile device. Whether you're switching to a new account, giving your phone to someone else, or just want to declutter your accounts list, this guide will help you do it safely and easily. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and go to the Settings app. Scroll down and look for the option called Accounts, Passwords and Accounts, or Users and Accounts. The name might vary depending on your device. Tap on that. You'll see a list of all accounts added to your device, including Google, WhatsApp, Facebook, and others. Find and tap on the Google account you wish to remove. Once you tap the account, look for the Remove Account option. Usually located at the bottom, tap it. If prompted, confirm your action by tapping Remove Account again. If your phone is secured with a PIN, pattern, or fingerprint, you may need to verify before proceeding, and that's it. The selected Google account has now been removed from your device. When you remove Google account from your device, it doesn't delete the account itself, it only removes it from your device. You'll no longer be able to use services linked to that account on this phone, such as Gmail, Google Play, or Google Photos. Any synced data, like contacts, calendar events, or files from Google Drive, will also be removed from the device. But don't worry, your data remains safe in your Google account online, and you can always sign in again later. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.